Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I told you about different websites, best websites from where you can learn a particular skill which we are talking about in our videos. So guys, today's video is gonna be very exciting because in this video I will tell you about the three best websites from where you can learn cloud computing. Cloud computing is everywhere nowadays. People pay high amount of money to freelancer developers, cloud computing engineers for their projects. So you can must try this skill. So let's go. As you know, our video format. First of all, we will go to Fiverr.com and then to check the demand and competition of the skill, and then we will go to websites. So I write here Fiverr.com. If you don't know about Fiverr.com, Fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing marketplaces where you can sell your services online. So guys, here I search cloud computing. So as you can see, there is only 316 services available. It means almost no competition. So let's go. I will do technical writing addresses, cyber security, and this is a writer. I will provide expert AWS cloud computing services. Open this one and this. As you can see, there are very few developers, mostly are writers, which are talking about writing articles. So it is very less competition. Cloud computing engineer, so you can learn this skill and almost no competition. I think from 316 uh, there are not more than 20 to 30 cloud engineers, cloud computing engineers. So this skill have no competition. So let's check out our first gig. I will create an Azure cloud computing virtual machine services. 195 orders completed. Yeah, views in $40. Even create a single virtual machine instead $30 silver machine subscription premium $20 medical machine certified cloud you can also and you can get an idea. The get description make your own. Then move toward the second one is I will set up secure cable how to distribute the code. The US ask for spaces WordPress consistency in standard. He charged $125 premium. He charged $2. Edgar Rocket Lines 197 stated. After that, you can also go to the description, and when you learn the skill, take an idea, give description, and make your own. I will provide for AWS cloud computing setup from Pakistan. $5. Designing infrastructure provisioning cloud infrastructure. In standard, he charged $10. Provisioning infrastructure through code deploying or your application in cloud. In premium, CI/CD automation of your deployment. So that's great. You can also check out his gig description and make your own. So guys, I think Fiverr part is over now. I cross all these gigs and let's move towards our first website, which is official website of Amazon AWS. Amazon AWS is a very great cloud computing service. So this is the so these are the tutorials from Amazon. You can learn from these tutorials and become a cloud engineer. So let's move towards our second website, which is called Microsoft Azure. Microsoft official website. Azure is a cloud service of Microsoft. This is also very great. This is a basically competitor of Amazon AWS service, and this is also very great service. I personally use it. That's for great. So you can also learn here cloud computing and etc. After that, the last but not the least, Google Cloud. Google pay very attention on cloud computing. So they also launch their tutorials and services. So you can also check out their service. Initially, their services are free and cheap. So they also perform good. So I recommend you if you are a beginner, go towards Google Cloud. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.